Supreme Court of Guam today on behalf of his client, Police Officer David Q. Manila. Manila and Police Officer Anthony Kenga are set to begin trial on Thursday as the two face a slew of criminal charges for their alleged involvement in prostitution at the Blue House Lounge and alleged criminal sexual conduct. The writ of mandate is based on Superior Court Judge Anita Socola's denial of their motions to dismiss. The defense claims that the officers' speedy trial rights were violated. A defendant who asserts speedy trial must be brought to trial within 45 days, not including time given for motions presented and reviewed to the court. Now, in the case of Manila, his attorney contends that the clock ran out on May 20th. The trial court and the defense disagree on whether the clock stopped when co-defendant Song-ja Cha filed an appeal on double jeopardy grounds that was eventually dismissed as it was determined to be prematurely filed. Judge Anita Socola believes there are 5 days left to take the matter to trial, and there's disagreement, though, on whether the appeal filed today will stop that clock.
The court notes that one was filed, okay. However, it does not stop the proceedings of this court. Is that correct, Mr. Tumblin?
I believe it does.
You believe it does? I don't believe it does. Not yet until we hear something from the Supreme Court.
The court ordered the parties to return on Tuesday solely for Manila's appeal to determine if the Supreme Court has accepted the appeal and whether the lower court will lose jurisdiction or proceed. In the meantime, Kenga's new attorney Sylvia Stake is still trying to get caught up on the case. She was just appointed on Friday. The court intends to begin jury selection on Thursday, and Stake must still review all of the pleadings and information that's been filed in this 5-year-old case.
Ma'am, were you able to review those matters to make sure that they do not pose any conflict for you?
Well, there are 4 volumes, Your Honor. It's over 3,000 pages and several CDs.
Yes.
So I've gone through half so far. I'm going to need a couple more days to get through the rest.
Your client had asserted his right to speak.
I know. Well, Your Honor, I really have not been following this case, but I did hear that you had intended to have a jury selection by tomorrow.
That is correct.
That would be a little bit early for me.
As for Assistant Attorney General Jonathan Kwan, the government has mixed emotions about how to proceed.
Your Honor, the people are in a difficult position that although that we may want to go to trial, we understand that we don't want to set up an appeal for ineffective assistance of counsel.
Judge Socola made it clear she is moving the case along until she's told otherwise from the Guam Supreme Court, and set a continued pretrial conference for this Wednesday with potential jurors set to be called in on Thursday afternoon. Meanwhile, attorney Mark Smith has been appointed to represent Cha. This will mark her 7th attorney since the case was filed back in 2008. Smith will have to appear in court on Wednesday and inform the court if he has any conflicts to represent her. Cha will be tried separately from the 2 police officers. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.